So good morning, world. Here we are in the garage again today. Yesterday I got the big cabinet back there put into place, and I like it. I like it a lot. In fact, I like that area being cleaned out. I had this table over there. One of the things I found out is anytime you have a flat surface, it's going to get piled up with junk. And a flat surface that's piled up with junk is not really a usable surface. I'm not sure what the solution to that is. I mean, you want to have a place to work, but you don't want to have a place that's always piled up with stuff that you can't work on top of. So I don't know whether I've seen people that had like a table that swings out, you know, and they put a stick under it and they work on it and they fold it back up when they're through. I don't know if a folding workbench would be the solution or not. But anyway, there that is. But I like having that corner open and having my stuff here, including, you know, there's a little electrical thing right here, so I can quite literally pull out my cell phone, have it charging, or I can set my camera right here on this thing. A lot of times when I make videos, I'm just yammering away, you know, or I might be doing something with my hands, but having that little shelf right there just gives me a place to sit things, you know, and I kind of like that. The rest of the garage is kind of a mess. I think this stuff here is, I made these Peak Fix-It shelves the other day, and I think that's temporary. Pretty sure that's not going to stay like that, but it gives me a place to set things up off the floor. And speaking of the floor, I've got some stuff down here. One of those is like a 33 Plymouth front axle, and I think a 37 Chevy bumper, which are parts that I want to save. I got a thought about possibly using that front axle. Todd threw away the hubs, which I wish he hadn't have done, because I could have used those hubs, put new bearings in them and used it for a trailer. But I've got a lot of other hubs around here. I think it's probably unlikely that any of the bearings would fit, but you never know. But I thought about, if not, I might chop the ends off these axles and put a new axle end on that and use that under a trailer that I got out back. I'll show you that trailer later. But today I'm going to go back to kind of making order in the garage, and I also have some gravel coming, and I might spend a little time with this welder. I got this welder kind of up and running yesterday. It comes on, I don't know if you can hear it buzzing or not, and if you watch, this is the wire feed right here. Today that's not working. Yesterday it was. He just blew a circuit breaker rather than feed that wire out. So I'm gonna have to spend some time with that. Obviously that's not altogether good. So we'll have to consider that. I'm gonna turn y'all off and go reset a breaker.